So today we are going to discuss about the last topic of this unit, that is your type E chopper, okay, or connected to DC motor drive. Okay, so here you will get the four quadrant operation. So the four quadrant chopper, so is generally it is considered as parallel combination of two type C choppers. The power circuit diagram is shown in this figure here. Here there are four choppers, okay, Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. So when Q1 and Q4, okay, so here actually these are all actually semiconductor switches, okay. So this semiconductor switches, okay, it may be transistors or it may be SCRs or it may be IGBTs, okay. So in this case, the operating regions of this chopper is in all in the four quadrants, okay. So here for the operation in the first quadrant, okay, here the chopper 4 should be continuously turned on so that the, okay, so that the actually, okay, current will flowing through actually chopper 1, okay. So in this case, okay, actually in case of first, okay, in the motoring mode or the first quadrant mode, okay, Q1 chopper 1 and chopper 4 Q4 are on the, okay. So here the current direction is from positive terminal of the battery, then Q1, then the motor, then Q4 and negative terminal of the battery, okay. So in this case, okay, so we are considering the, okay, actually, okay, left positive, right negative, the voltage is considered as positive voltage, okay. And when the current is flowing from the terminal A to double A, okay, in this direction it is positive current. So here the current is that, here the current is positive and voltage is positive, okay. So the power will be positive and it is operating in the first quadrant. So okay, so this is called forward motoring mode. This is called forward motoring mode. So next we'll see, okay, actually this is the intermittent period, okay. So while going from the, okay, your first quadrant to second quadrant, okay, so okay, so it will not directly going from the first to second quadrant. So this is the intermittent mode here, okay. So here, okay, the Q1 is off now, okay, the chopper 1 is off and Q4 is on, okay. Actually the Q4 is continuously on, okay. So inductor current has to flow in the same direction, and that in this case the diode 2 is forward biased and the inductor current fuels through D2 and Q4, okay. And during this period we can see the output voltage will be 0 volt. In the previous case, okay, the output voltage is same as the input voltage. So okay, when Q1 and Q4 are conducting, then the output voltage or the voltage across the armature is same as the input voltage. But when the only if the D2 and Q4 are conducting, at the time the output voltage will be 0 volt. Okay, now Q4 is off and Q2 is on, okay. So now the load is not connected with the source, so the back EMF drives the current through Q2 and Q4. So coming to the second quadrant operation here, okay, the Q2 is off, then diode D1. Now the diode D1 is conducting, and the diode D1 is forward biased here, okay. So one thing, actually the current flows through D4 and D1. Now the current direction is from in the opposite direction, that is from negative terminal of the battery D4, then a motor D1 and positive terminal of the battery. So in this case the current direction is in the reverse direction, okay, but the voltage polarity remains same, okay. Actually left positive, right negative, voltage is positive, current negative, okay. Voltage positive, current negative, that means the motor rotated in the same direction, but actually in this case as the current direction is reverse, so the torque will act in the reverse direction. Okay, so here the power is negative, and this type of mode is called forward braking mode. So the current is flowing in the reverse direction, and it operates in the second quadrant. Okay, now okay, in the third quadrant operation, okay, the Q3 and Q2 is on. So when Q3 and Q2 are conducting, at the time the output voltage will be same as the input voltage. Okay, so here one thing you can see here, in this case both the current and voltage polarity are reverse. Okay, current negative and voltage negative. Voltage is okay, left negative and right positive. Okay, so here the current is flowing from, okay, here positive terminal of the battery, then Q3 motor, then Q4, then negative terminal of the battery. Okay, so in this mode of operation both the voltage and current are negative, so the power is positive. So this mode is called reverse motoring mode, and it operates in third quadrant, reverse motoring. Then this is the okay, intermittent mode. So where okay, Q3 is off, Q2 is on, current has to be continuous. Okay, so now the diode D4 is forward biased. Diode D4 is forward biased. So current is flowing through Q2, D4, okay, and your back EMF, and through the armature circuits. This is how it is flowing. And during this period, okay, the output voltage will be 0 volt. And now the Q4 is on and Q2 is off. So now the back EMF drives the current through Q4 due to an motor. So here also the output voltage will be 0 volt. Okay. So coming to the fourth quadrant operation now. Okay, now Q4 is turn off. Now Q4 is turn off and D3 is forward biased. Okay. Now you can see here the current is flowing in the same direction. Okay, but the voltage polarity reverse. Okay, voltage negative. That means here left negative and right positive. Okay, voltage polarity reverse, and for the current direction is positive. Here the current positive, voltage negative. Okay, so current is flowing from the negative terminal of the battery D2, then your motor D3, and positive terminal of the battery. So here the okay, voltage is negative, but the current is positive. Okay, so voltage negative, current positive gives the power negative. So it is called reverse braking mode. Reverse braking mode. Okay, and it is also called okay, fourth quadrant operation. Okay, okay, that is how we are getting the okay all the four quadrant operation using type E chopper. Okay, so till now we have discussed okay how we are getting the various quadrant operation. Okay, single quadrant, two quadrant, and four quadrant using the various type of choppers when connected to DC motor drives.